Today we'll talk about how can you clear cache on your Wearfit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Wearfit app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click here on me down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then here you will find setup, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account and security here. Sorry, we will go back, sorry. You click here on clear cache here, you will find it here. When you just click on clear cache, then it's going to clear with you on your Wearfit app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.